Welcome to Manda's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make keto flatbread. This keto flatbread is very easy and very tasty, and this is ideal for keto diet if you want to lose weight, or if you are in VRK diet, post diet, or any kind of diet. This is low carb flatbread. So I want to show you how to do it. So let's get started. To make keto flatbread, we need almond flour. I have taken 1 cup. Next, coconut flour, half cup. Flax seed powder, 1/4 cup. Some salt, it's according to your taste. And sesame seeds. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do with that. Some coconut oil, and I need some warm water. First, I'm going to soak this flaxseed powder in warm water. So it will set. So it will act as a binding agent for our dough. So now you have seen it, right? So this is how the consistency with the flaxseed powder or flaxseed meal. So this is what I need. So I'll set it aside at least for 5 minutes to set. It's been 5 minutes. I soaked my flaxseed meal. Now I am going to show you how to make the dough. So I have 1 cup of almond flour. To this I am going to add my half cup of coconut flour. Okay, so I'm going to mix it, and now I am going to add little bit of salt according to my taste. So half a teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to add my flaxseed meal, which has soaked it with warm water. So now I'm going to add little bit of coconut oil into it. I have added coconut flour to the almond flour and the flaxseed meal to it, and I have added 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and now I'm going to mix it into a dough. So I'm going to make into a dough. So I have made into a dough. So now I'm going to set it aside at least for 5 minutes so that it will set in. So let's cover it and keep it aside for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. So I have placed a lid on the dough. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to make the flatbread. Now I have taken 2 parchment papers. So what I'm going to do is, on one of the parchment paper, I'm going to apply the oil, coconut oil, onto the paper. So even I'm going to apply the oil onto the other paper, and I'm going to keep it aside. So this is what. So we'll take this off from this side, and we'll put the first parchment paper where we applied the oil. So I applied the oil for both the papers. I have made into a round ball the dough. Okay, now I'm going to place it and press it like this. Okay, and I'm going to place the other parchment paper where I applied the oil. So I'm going to place it like this. Now I'm going to roll it with the rolling thing. Okay, so this is how we have to make the flatbread. So once you make it, okay, so make sure, when it is done, see the flatbread. Okay, now I want it to get a round shape, so I have taken a lid. So I am going to press it like this with this and take out the edges. Okay, I'm going to take out the edges, and now look at the round shape. So what I'm going to do now is, I told you that I have the sesame seeds. So now I'm going to sprinkle some of them. Look at this, how beautiful it will look. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to place my parchment paper on that, and slowly I will roll it so that they will stick to that. You see that? So they will not fall apart. So the sesame seeds will be there on the flatbread. Now I have a frying pan on the stove. So let it get heated. So before it gets heated, you should not put the flatbread on that. So I want it to get really hot. Now my pan is really hot. So I'm going to take out this take out my flatbread. See, it's like this. Okay, you see how nice it's coming. So now I'm going to put it on the pan. I forgot, I should have added some oil to the pan, but that's okay, it's going to come. So now I'm going to add some coconut oil. Okay, so this is how I'm going to fry the flatbreads. Look at the flatbread. So I'm just trying to see. I want it to really get hot. Can you see it? So now I'm going to apply the oil on the other side. You can use even butter, or you can use ghee, clarified butter. It's your taste. I'm using coconut oil. So this is how we have to fry. Now I'm going to turn the other side. It takes 2 to 3 minutes for us. See the sesame seeds. So I'm going to add some oil. So I think this is almost done. Look at this. You see the color? So I think this is done. So now I'm going to take it off from the pan and place it in this plate. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, rest of the dough I made into 4 balls. Now I'm going to roll it into flat breads, just I did the one previously. So now I'm going to apply the oil on this parchment paper like before, and I have taken one more round ball. So I'm going to press it like this, and on the other paper also I applied the coconut oil. So I'm going to place it on the top of that, and I'm going to roll it. So this is how I'm going to make the remaining flatbreads, and then I'm going to fry it. Isn't it very easy? And this is very healthy too. If you are on a keto diet, or if you are VRK diet or post diet, because they have no carbs, because what we are using is almond flour, we are using coconut flour and flaxseed meal. So this is how we are going to make the rest of the dough into chapatis or flatbread, and we can eat with any curries. Look at this, the round shape. Now I am going to add some sesame seeds, and I showed you earlier. I am going to put the paper on the top of it, and I am going to roll it with this, so that they don't fall apart. See this. Now I am going to put it on the fan, and I am going to fry it. First time when I did my first chapati, I forgot to apply coconut oil to the pan, but this time I am using the coconut oil so onto the pan, and then I am going to put the flatbread on top of it. So I am going to put my flatbread on that, and I am going to fry it. Look at the flatbreads. They look so delicious, isn't it? So I have just kept for presentation some pickle. I know that the pickles are not allowed in keto diet or VRK diet. This is only for presentation. You can eat these flatbreads with any curries. You can make some stir fry vegetables, or you can make some chicken if you are non-vegetarian, or if you want to eat any shrimp, anything you can use as a curry, and you can eat the flatbread. And out of the dough which I showed you, I got 6 flatbreads. I hope you all like this video. So even if you are in keto diet or VRK post diet, or if you are you can eat this kind of bread. We don't have to miss the bread. You can make bread out of almond flour, flaxseed meal, and coconut flour. So this is how you can make your flatbread, and you can enjoy the bread. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching. And next time I'm going to come with one more keto dish.